All right, good morning. As usual here, Monday mornings are slow, especially in the summer. Here we are 21 minutes into the open, 6:51 here on the West Coast. We're getting ready for a few days vacation here. Gonna head to the Oregon coast with the fam. Nothing happening here. SPOOs are flat. The Senate passed the housing plan. Nobody really gives a hoot right now. I question whether or not banks really want to take these losses the way that the government wants to hand them down. So the government essentially wants to take all those that can pay their loans that are underwater in their properties and have the banks write off that loss, and then my understanding then is the governments will back those loans themselves. So the bank loses the asset, has to take the loss today, and gets no income stream going forward, unless I'm misunderstanding it. So I'm not sure how the banks are going to be too excited about this, and the government saying, hey, we only want to take those that are credit worthy, that only have a certain level of debt, 31% debt, et cetera, et cetera. So it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out. Fannie and Freddie are both up 4%, so I guess there's some reaction there in the market. Some of the housing names are up a little bit here, but again, this is not big news in our book. The SPOOs are trading right around the pivot. 12.55 is the pivot this morning. They're trading 12.56, so they're slightly above it. I have no bias here this morning. I have no positions in the SPOOs, no long, no short, and that's just the way the market is providing us with little opportunity there. I was noticing price line up big this morning. If you can get that up to the teens, 113, 117, I'd be a seller again on any significant bounce. It's up $6 today, but if it continues to bounce, I'd be a seller up into that area. Again, not a lot on my plate to see this morning, so take it easy. But again, watch how these stocks react. The dollar is down a little bit today. Oil was up to 125 overnight. As we came into the open, it sold off another couple dollars. It went back to 123.5. So no positions there. I would think you'd see a bounce in oil here soon before we slice through the 120 level. We'll see if we can get through, get a real bounce. I would love to see a bounce. Again, we've basically fallen about $15 in the oil, 122s and 147s, or $25, excuse me. So I would like to see a bounce of at least up to that 130 to 135 to sell. Who knows if we get it? We may just sell completely off and go back down below that 120 level. I don't know. We'll have to watch. But again, I'm not pressing any shorts on the oil names right now. I'd like to see bounces. Now that they have broken down clearly in the charts, I'd like to see bounces that we could sell on oil itself and the oil services and the oil names. So we'll see where that goes. Again, nothing happening. Dow is down 40 points. Nas is down 3. Just a very slow open here Monday morning. Again, we'll do probably a couple more videos, and we will have a laptop over at the coast to keep a check on the market. But good time, end of the month. Markups are in play. T+3 today, tomorrow. Let's see how they close these things, and let's see if we go. Again, we're coming into August. I could see some slow times after the June and July that we've had. I think, frankly, everybody's a little tired and needs a little bit of a break, and we're always used to a slower time in the summer. So, back in later. Have a good trading day. Again, I'm positionless on the SPOOs right now. Got some core stock positions, but taking it slowly this morning, and we'll be winding it down and trading a lot less this week as we go by.